friends, I welcome to all in a spoken class. Dear friends, today I will discuss with you how to speak in the classroom. Okay, let's start. First student, for example, one student, excuse, excuse me. Okay, next one here, excuse me. Second, ask, say the answer yes. Now, next you can ask with you what's what what is your name? What is your name? Next ask, second answer, my name is Sakshi. Sakshi. Okay. Then ask which class is it? Which class which class is it? If you are new in any school, then you have to ask this question, which class is it? Then reply him, it is it is class 2 2A. Okay, then again ask, you frame a question with him. Next ask, who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? She replied, you. It is Mr. PK Pathak. PK Pathak is our class teacher. Our class teacher. Okay. Then again ask, but but he is not present in the classroom. Then again he replied, maybe maybe he is in the staff staff room. Can you call him? Again ask, can you call him? Call him. Then ask, Yes. Yes. May I wash? Then your reply, yes. Yes, go, but return soon. Okay. If the student will come, then ask, may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? Then again reply, yes, come. Yes, come. Again ask, where? Uh, was was he was he there? Was he there? Then again reply, yes, he was he was there. Is he coming? Next you can ask, is he coming? Is he coming? Yes. Yes, he is. Yes, he is coming. Then you say, okay, 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 have a seat, have a seat. Then see, thank you, thank you, you are most welcome. Dear friends, अभी आप ये कन्वर्सेशन एक टीचर और एक बच्चे का कन्वर्सेशन देखें। अगर आपको इस टॉपिक पे बात करना है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू चूज अ स्टूडेंट एंड आप किसी के भी साथ में बात कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि जो भी थोड़ा बहुत भी इंग्लिश बोल सकता है उनके साथ में आप बात कर सकते हैं। डियर फ्रेंड्स, तो अपना एक पेयर बना लें, अपने साथी चूज कर लें और आप अपनी इंग्लिश को शुरुआत कर सकते हैं। बहुत ही बेसिक है। अगर आपको आप किस टॉपिक पे चाहते हैं वो भी हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताएं, और आपको आज की ये टॉपिक कैसा लगा आप हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में अवश्य ही रिप्लाई करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।